Welcome to Picks and Hobbies. I recently upgraded the Overdrive Gears on my Element Ecto. As you are aware, the RTR version ships with 5.7% overdrive gears installed and also comes with extra parts to increase the overdrive to 11.83% in the parts bag. But I ended up skipping the optional 11.83% overdrive and went directly to a 25% overdrive gears. I will have a link on the top right corner of the step-by-step installation video. During my test runs, I had noticed that I was unable to clear line number 4, the wall, a very steep and slippery line even after the upgraded tires and the wheels. The front wheels just doesn't have the bite to pull itself over. I know that the weight distribution plays a big factor here and one that will be addressed in the near future. But today, I'm going to compare what happens when you change just 2 gears to the transmission. I have intentionally held off making any additional mods and upgrades to my Element Ecto to show the effects of 25% overdrive compared to the stock 5.7% overdrive. After the comparison, I'll have some running videos of the Ecto, so let's get started. Here, we are back out to line number 4 at my test ground. The only change that has been done to the Ecto since before the video is that it is now running 25% overdrive. This line truly tests the rig, not just because it's steep and slippery, but due to the placement of the rocks. The ledge at the top makes it impossible to just power through it. Plus the rock at the middle section of the right extrudes out enough to block the pass of the rear passenger tire. And once you pass that, you have to shift the rig to the right to climb in between the ledge and the V. Here you can see the weight distribution and center of gravity at play. As the rear tire spins, it's pushing the front away from the wall. The front sits a bit too high and it just doesn't have enough weight on the front. Addressing this will be key to improving the performance on the Ecto. I'm trying to leverage the right side of the ledge to keep the left front end down while trying to get the rear passenger tire past the rock. Normally, with the ideal weight distribution, I wouldn't have to resort to this.
אני אפילו, את יודעת, אני רוצה... עכשיו יכול להיות שאני גם טועה, ואני חושבת שזה עליך.
Now some running videos. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Vix on Hobbies.